Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about how to trade with 4 indicators only. It's very simple, it's by Simple Trading Style. I'm going to use only 4 indicators: moving averages, MACD, RSI, and awesome oscillator. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe for the YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate it. Let's move to Webull. If you want to learn more about Webull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about Webull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let me tell you quickly about my setup. I'm using 4 indicators, right? First, let me show you. If you go here, first, moving averages and indicator. These values, please read it. Style, my colors, you can read it. And introduction, all information about moving averages. Okay. The second indicator I'm using, it's let's see, it's RSI. Yeah, okay, RSI, let's see. RSI indicator, this is the RSI indicator. I'm using only green and 2 lines. It has 3 lines, but I'm using only 2 lines, 14 and 24. 14 and 24, that's all. And also upper band 70 and lower 30. Introduction, also information about, you can learn, and a lot of also information over here you can read about all technical signals. Okay, let's move back. And this next one, it's a MACD indicator. Also information about MACD. I'm using MACD line green, signal line red, and the values, please read these values as default value. That's all. And yeah, awesome oscillator, let me show you awesome oscillator. Awesome oscillator, very simple indicator, but I'm using for, you see it's a green and red color only. Green is a bullish, red is a bearish. That's information, introduction about this algorithm. All mathematically based indicators. It's no any some magician or any magic signals. It's all based on algorithms, on the past data, right? Let's start it. Let's start. Yeah, moving averages, like I mentioned to you already. White line is MA 200. Yellow line MA20, purple line MA100, blue line MA50, yellow line again 20, red line MA10, and green line MA5. MACD indicator green, red line signal line, histogram red it's a bearish, green it's a bullish. RSI, same setup, RSI line green, signal line red, awesome oscillator bearish it's a red, green it's a bullish. That's all. 4 indicators, very simple, very powerful, very successful. But you have to follow the rules, and you have to follow the discipline. Okay, let's start from the first. Let me tell you about moving averages. Moving averages, you can, I'm using this, all of them, right? The first, for the signal, you use MA5 and MA10, green and red. When green line cross red line, MA10, it's a bearish crossover in this case, right? In this case, it's a bullish crossover. Let me show you. In this case, it's a bullish crossover, right? But let me start from the first orange box, right? It's a bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, and in this case in 20, not always in 20. When you have all 10 and 20 bearish crossover, it is full confirmation of bearish trend. Why? Because when bars below all moving averages, below MA20, it is bearish trend. When moving averages and MA20 below MA200, it is bearish trend. When MA200 downtrend, you see the direction of the white line, downhill, right? It's a bearish trend. when in this case, let's look at it, MA20 yellow line, MA10, MA5 green, red and yellow above MA200, above MA200 white line, it is bullish trend. It is bullish signal. You see, and MA200 now is trying to get flat from the downtrend direction. Because moving average is above and bars above the MA200, it is bullish trend. That's how we use moving averages. It's very effective. You can even trade only on the moving averages, lines. But we are going to talk about additional 3 tools, 3 indicators that will give us the full confirmation. Why we need additional tools? Because one indicator is good, but when you have aligned 4 indicators and they all give you the right signal, it is good confirmation for you 98% that when you have confirmation from the 4 indicators aligned in the same trend direction, it is almost 100% trend direction. But in trading we don't use 100% because anything can happen. Okay, the first orange square, MA5 did bearish crossover, right? At the same time, what happened on the MACD? Green line did bearish crossover over red line. Second confirmation, right? First confirmation is MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. First confirmation. Second confirmation, MACD did bearish crossover over 10. Also, MACD has, you see, this is the green line changed, green histogram changed to red histogram, right? It's a 0 line because green histogram, it's a bullish territory. Red histogram, it's a bearish territory. And MA5 did, MACD, green line did bearish crossover over signal line, and histogram changed color from green to red, right? It's a second check. Second check for us, MACD changed direction from green to red on the histogram. MACD line changed direction from green to red. Third check, right? It's a bearish signal. Okay, now we are moving to RSI. RSI, green line did bearish crossover also over signal line. It's a bearish signal. Another check, and we have awesome oscillator change color from green to red. It's another confirmation. 4 indicators gave us all bearish signal, and it means the market already ready to change direction from bullish to bearish. In this case, what we do, we sold bullish TQQ. This is daily time frame. This is daily time frame for Qs for Nasdaq. For bullish, I am using TQQ, 300% bullish. In this case, I received bearish crossover, bearish signal. What I did, I sold TQQ and I bought SQQ. SQQ, it's a reversal, short reversal ETF. 300% short reversal ETFs. And what we did, okay, we sold it, we changed direction to bearish, to short direction, and MA5 moving down, and we are waiting, and we hold this position until MA5 will do bullish crossover. And you see here on January 6th, the first bearish crossover was December 08, 2022, right? December 8, 2022, bearish crossover. We switch direction from bullish to bearish, and we hold the direction up to January 6, 2023. We received on the moving averages on the MA5 did bullish crossover. It is bullish signal. First check, okay, it's a bullish crossover. Second check, MACD, green line did bullish crossover over 10. Second check, and histogram changed direction from MACD histogram from red to green. It's a third check. RSI did bullish crossover, green line to red, bullish crossover, another check, and awesome oscillator gave us the check 4 days before. 4 days, 3 days, 4 days before, 3 days before it gave us green line. RSI and awesome oscillator, they gave us early signal. I will tell you later about it, but maybe now. Okay, we received 5 signals on the 4 indicators. The market is ready to change to bullish direction. And what I did, I sold my SQQ short reversal ETF and I bought long, right? I bought long ETF, right? Okay, what I want to show you, that we change direction to bullish, right? And now what from the January 6th, we are bullish. We are bullish direction. We received 5 confirmation, MA5 above MA10. When it's bullish, MA5 above 10. When we are bearish, MA5 below 10, below red. Green below red, it's a bearish. Green above red, it's a bullish. It's very simple. Market has yes only 2 directions, up or down, and it has 2 actions: sell or buy. This setup, 4 indicators, it's kind of advanced setup for more. It's for me, it's simple. It's still simple, but for some traders, for new traders, for beginners, for lazy traders, for it is more advanced, more complicated. Because in reality, you can trade with 1 indicator, we can trade with 2 indicators. That's absolutely enough. I have video. You can go and check my video. How to trade with 1 indicators only. How to trade with 2 indicators. I have video how to trade with 3 indicators. And this one I'm showing to you how to trade with 5 indicators. That's more kind of advanced. Okay, and moving averages, it's the same trading style, nothing special. It just gave you the more confirmation. You receive, when you trade with 1 indicator, it's only 1 confirmation. When you have 2 indicators, you have 2 confirmations. In this case, you have 4 indicators, and MACD has 2 signals. You have 5 confirmations, and if 5 confirmations you receive, it's for you, it's 98% trend direction, right? Like here on January 6th, bullish crossover, and bullish crossover was about up to February 16, when it changed direction from bullish to bearish. Let's follow it. Green line moved, it did bullish crossover over 20, and we remember, right, when 20, when it does bullish crossover over 20, it's a confirmation, bullish confirmation that market changed direction. And moving averages, look at it, green and red line, they're uptrend. When they're uptrend, it's a bullish trend. In this case, MA5, MA10, and 20 were downtrend. It is bearish trend. When it's uptrend, it's a bullish. MACD uptrend, it's a bullish. RSI uptrend, it's a bullish. You see how it's simple. When all lines downtrend, it's a bearish. When line uptrends, it's a bullish. Especially when it's another rule, and you see the all moving uptrend. And now what we have, when MA5, 10, and 20 above MA200, about white line, it is bullish trend. You see MA5 and 100 wants to come to above MA200 also. It is bullish trend. And we received again, right, on the February 16, we received again what? Bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover. It started actually here. The first bearish crossover was here, and here it was bull trap. We call it bull trap because you see it showed a new bar, but MACD didn't move. This bar was bull trap. This bar was bull trap because on MACD we didn't get any move up. On RSI we didn't get any bars up. I'm sorry, on RSI. On awesome oscillator we didn't get any bars up, and it was red bars, right? We received from this point, we received red bars, and it was red bars up to here. That's why this green bar, for me, it was bull trap. I knew about that, it was bull trap. Anyway, bearish crossover. You will learn it if you follow me on the daily updates. On daily, I do publish daily updates, and you will learn it from it because I do provide more details, more rules, more information. But now it's kind of simple, like 4 indicators only. Bearish crossover and market change direction to bearish, right? Change direction to bearish. MACD was bearish, RSI was bearish, and awesome oscillator was bearish also up to this point. Up to that point, MA5 did bullish crossover again. That's how it works. 4 indicators only. 4 indicators only. When they align in the bullish direction or bearish direction, you change direction of the market. We always follow the market direction. We never fight with the market. We never don't listen to the media, don't listen to the news, because this chart tells you the truth, because it's based on the data. It's not based on some manipulation if they definitely, we knew the market is manipulated by Fed, by other institutions, but it doesn't matter. We are following manipulation. If it's manipulated to downtrend, we follow downtrend. We are making money downtrend. If it's manipulated to uptrend, we are following uptrend. We are making money uptrend. We don't fight with it. We just follow. We just adopted the trend direction and just make money uptrend and downtrend. That's all, nothing special. I think it's clear, right? And again, our awesome oscillator change current from green to red. It's a bearish signal, right? We have like 5 signals. Very simple. 4 indicators, 5 signals. I can show you one more indicator for you. Very light indicator, like SR indicator. You can also go here and just learn about it. It's an indicator. You don't have to do anything. It's completed. You can read about that. It's kind of stop and reversal indicator. It shows you like additional confirmation, right? In this case, additional confirmation. You see, we received red dots on the bow. It market change direction from bullish to bearish. And again here we received green dots. It's a bullish. It's switch. It's reversal direction. Reversal. Same indicator, right? MA5 did bearish crossover over here. MACD did, I'm sorry for my miscommunication. Okay, MA5 did bullish crossover at this point. I'm just in the middle of the screen. MACD did bullish crossover. MACD histogram did bullish crossover. RSI did bullish crossover. Awesome oscillator green. And SAR indicator gave us one more signal green, you see, and it was bullish up to this point, to bearish crossover. When we received bearish crossover, we received bearish signal on the all indicators, right? That's additional indicator number 5. You can use it if you like it. Okay, another trick. Let me show you another thing. Let me show you. Let's do this one. Let me make a square. You see, this is the top of the. This was top, right? This bar was top. How did they know about that? It's a top. Very simple. Look at it. We have an indicator. RSI indicator. RSI indicator shows us when the market overbought or oversold. We have this yellow line. It's a 70. 70. It's overbought territory. And below we have green line. It's 30. It's oversold territory. Like this point, it was oversold territory around 30. 30. It's the lowest point. It's oversold territory. This was overbought territory. When RSI changed direction from was rejected from the overbought territory, it moved down. For us, it was confirmation. Okay, it was top of the market. Market is changing direction to bearish. Okay, and awesome oscillator also on the second bar, on a few bars later, changed direction from green to red. It was confirmation. It gave us early signal. RSI always RSI gives you early signal. Same here, right? Over here, it was bottom, and RSI gave you, okay, it's bullish, it's a bottom, it's the lowest point. It's oversold territory, market and oversold territory. Even at this point, it did kind of bearish trap again, but we knew because MA5 is already bullish crossover, we knew that it's a bullish direction because RSI was, this point was upper than this one. This one was lower. It's a bullish divergence. That's all. Very simple. I'm sorry, it's not very simple. Simple, it's a one indicator. 4 indicators or 5 indicators, like I showed you, it's more complicated. But if someone wants to have some advanced trading style, you can use it for advanced trading style. If not, you can easy and simple just to turn off these indicators and use just few of them if you don't like it, right? That's how it works. I would recommend it to you use at least 2 moving averages and at least MACD, MACD indicator, at least like this one. It works very well. You see confirmation like 2, at least use 2 indicators. That's how simple it is. And maybe you can add SAR if you like it. If it's too busy, just turn off. It's very visible, very useful, very easy to use. It works very well on VBull charts. Okay, thank you so much. It's so simple. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Let's move to, let me briefly mention about moving averages again, because moving averages, it's very important. It's the most important, the first indicator that you must have. And like I said, market has 2 trends, right? Buy and sell, 2 actions, 2 directions, up or down. Moving averages, MA200 and MA20, the most very important lines, they have 2 states. When MA20 yellow line far from MA200, it is white state. When MA20 close to MA200, like here, it is narrow state. When MA20 far from MA200, it always wants to connect to MA200. When MA20 and MA200 downtrend, like I told you already, it is bearish trend. When MA20 below MA200, it is bearish trend. When MA20 move above MA200, it is bullish trend. Even on only this indicator, on moving averages indicator, you can be successful. Let me show you briefly. It's very, very easy, very simple if you do like this one. Just remove everything, just leave just 2 indicators, at least maybe 3 lines, like this one. And now you can remove even MACD. Just have these lines, right? Look at it. Green line, MA5 did bullish crossover, bullish trend. You see it, and it's MA5 did bullish crossover over 20. 20 was far from MA200. Now they all came back to MA200 and they did bullish crossover. It is bullish trend, right? Up to here until we hold that position, bullish position, up to MA5 did bearish crossover. It is bearish signal now. And now it's trying to change it's a bullish signal. It was bullish signal when MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. It's a bearish signal. And now it can go back to below MA200 and it will be bearish. So far it's above, it's a bullish. That's how it works. You can go and check my video with how to trade with 1 indicator. That's exactly what I showed you. Just this case, 1 indicator only. Very simple. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. For educational purposes, we are using paper trading money, no real money. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please follow my YouTube channel, Telegram and Discord community, and you will learn it from me or from the everyday video. You will learn very quickly and you will be successful. You will be a successful trader. Okay, thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.